good evening. I am Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and I'm filming at night again because I'm babysitting my grandson tomorrow, and I won't be able to do it. So I decided to do it tonight, and today we're doing number 12, which is Ornament. Now when I was going through all our ornaments, I found all these cute little paper ornaments that my kids have made over the years that are getting destroyed, really. There's a whole bunch of these birds. We must have been on a bird kick that year. We got some elves. We got a crayon, but that must have been a tip on there, but it got messed up. We got a little snowman. I don't even remember who did these. A little snowflake. A bear. It looks like two little fish. This is a diamond. This is foam. And this, we wove these one year. Another one of these. And this one is really getting damaged. I re-glued a lot of this, and I'm just going to put this in a baggie and put it away. But what I'm going to do is laminate some of these and put them, well, I'm going to laminate all of them, but I'm going to put some of them in my journal here. And these are the ones that I want to get protected the most because they're so homemade and so cute. And then I'm also going to laminate these other things, and then this one's another homemade one, and we'll put them together somehow. It might be a double page spread. I might have some interactive movable things. We shall see. I believe we're ready. It's red. I really don't want to destroy this. I'm a little nervous about sending it through, but here, oh no, I put it through the wrong way. Ah, shoot. It's not coming out.
So it's not gonna...
I don't know. I think it's going to end up being wrinkly. I don't think it's coming through. It's not coming through. Oh, it is. Okay. It didn't come through before. I'm trying to save all these ornaments.
Yeah.
I think it'll be okay. Ugh. Good thing I stopped it soon enough. It doesn't look the best, but at least it's protected. Okay, that's good. Okay, well, as you see, I put it back through, and it does look a little weird and wrinkly, but at least it is protected. Now we're going to do this one right. I had put it in backwards first of all, but sometimes it does not work correctly. I'm hoping this one comes out good. I put it in the right way. Yep, here it comes. Okay. Now technically, these are so protected they could go back on the tree, but I'm going to put them in my journal. I've got a few more I want to do. This one came out really good. I was so scared that I was ruining the other one. But there, they came out nice. Alright, let's do it. Here we go. Alright, it's coming out. Thank goodness. It's very hot. I think I might let it take a break. I also have to glue these down. Oh, that one's not in the right spot. Oh, I got it just in time. Doing everything just in the nick of time. I think I'm going to let this cool off. It's feeling very hot. Okay. I'm going to get these cut out, and then we'll be back, and I'll get these glued together, and then I'll be back, and I will laminate these off camera. I have successfully laminated all my kids' ornaments from many years ago. This one was by my daughter Rebecca, and these were done in '04. So my daughter who did this was 11, so Rebecca was 8. I have a feeling Bethany or Jeremiah did this. Jeremiah would have been 2. Bethany would have been about 6. And I think probably Rachel did that one. I think Rebecca did this one. Rachel did that one. I think Jerry or Bethany did that one. Probably, I don't know, Rachel or Rebecca did that one. I know that probably Rebecca did this, maybe? I don't know. That looks like something Bethany made. And probably Rachel made that one. So now I just have to figure out what I'm going to do with all of them. I do want to make my backgrounds cute, so I need to look for some paper. Okay, so I've got this cute little hot cocoa paper down, and I'm going to attach these so that I can swing them open. And this one too, and then I'll see what, if anything, I can put underneath. So I have so many of them. I definitely cannot include them all on these 2 pages, but I might incorporate them in some of the other spreads, and I'm definitely just gonna put them, tuck them inside the journal when I'm all done somehow. Maybe into an envelope or a pocket. I need to make this the smallest one. Okay, good. Alright, so let's go ahead. I don't want to ruin that page either. Oh, you know what I should have done? Darn it. I should do this first. Think of all these mistakes I've been making. Yeah, it won't reach. I think I need my other little, where is it? I guess I'll have to use this. We'll put this here. But I am going to use this for this, so the hole is not as big. Okay. Alright. Now I need to glue this down and put my brad in there. I'm running out of my cute button brads. Here's a red one. I don't think I have any green ones big enough. Are these big enough? It's almost like as big as the hole. I think it'll work though. They're so cute. Then I can glue this back down. Okay. Okay, let's glue it down. I just can't believe all the mistakes I'm making today. That's part of journaling, I guess. Make mistakes and you fix them somehow. I think I need a little glue there where the page is ripped. Okay. Here we go. I think that's going to be just fine. And then you see I can swing it out of the way and see what's underneath it. We're going to do the same thing over here. I think I'm too late, but it's okay because I can cover the prongs of the brad. I wonder if I should have the star movable for on top. Yep. Maybe I'll have the star on top. I don't know. Yeah, I think I kind of like the snowman on top the best. So let's go ahead and make that little hole right in here. Right at the top. Okay. And at the top up here. Nope, it's not at the top enough. There we go. I'll get my brad and we'll get those in there. Oh, the hole didn't get in this one. Okay, let's do that again. Alright, there we go. Get a red one this time. Well, maybe another green one because the hat is red. Also got orange and blue. I'm going to have to get online and see if I can find any more of these because they're super cute. See? See how cute the little buttons are? Alright, oh. I need to make my hole over here. So this, I'll be able to close it. So it's got to go like right here. Back to the drawing board. Okay. Get that put back in there. Oh, jeepers. Did you see it? I flipped it. I flipped it on the floor. Okay. Alright. There we go. So now we have that. Now we can flip these out of the way and we can see them. And now I just have to decide what I'm going to put under them. I have one of these. I've got one from Bethany, Rebecca and Rachel. So let's get Jerry's in there. I think we can put Jerry's like this. And I'm just going to put that down with double-sided tape for now. And I think that should do it. I'll probably speed through some of this part because it's going to take a long time. And I have a feeling this video is already long. I hope you're all happy, healthy, and doing good tonight. And I'm going to have fun with my grandson tomorrow. And Thursday. I have to watch him Thursday too. The normal babysitter's furnace broke, so he can't be there until I get it fixed. Okay, so that's going to go there. What else can I put down? Oh, the bear is cute. What about this one? I can put that there. Does it fit? Not quite. I have some. Oh, how about this one? Will that fit? I think these two should fit. Yeah, right? Yeah. All right, let's do that. We can go that way maybe. I guess they could be on top of that one a little bit. That won't hurt. All right, so I'm going to do the rest of this off camera and then I'll be back. All right, so we are all done with number 12, which is Ornament. And I have all my, well, not all my kids, but the youngest of my 9 kids, ornaments. They're handmade ornaments from 2004. And just for reference, Rachel, who made this one, is now 31. Jeremiah, who made this one, is now going to be 23 in February. Bethany is 26. And Rebecca is 28. So was a long, long time ago. I'm surprised they are in as good of condition as they are, considering how old they are. But I still have all of these that, I don't know, there was that snowflake page. I don't know. Now, I think I'll save these for something else. And I actually think I might have made this one. And I'm going to be 66 in January, so they're all very old. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support, and I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how not to ruin your things in your laminating machine. Bye-bye. See you next time.